So welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about views all around McCall, Idaho. So if you've been shopping for a home and you're looking for a home that offers a particular view, you're going to want to watch this because we're going to save you a ton of time. I'm going to go over all the different views that are available in the area and which pockets of area you need to be looking in order to get the view that you're looking for. So the first view is, of course, the view over Payette Lake. And it's one of the most requested views that we get when people are looking for property in McCall, Idaho. And luckily, you don't actually have to buy right on the lake in order to get a view over Payette Lake, because Payette Lake is surrounded by the Payette National Forest. So we have an elevation that goes up on each side and offers different neighborhoods that also will give you a view of the lake without being right on it. So one of the first areas is going to be right over here off of Warren Wagon. There's a neighborhood called Meadow Lake Estates where there's currently some homes listed for sale, and they have views that go out over Payette Lake. You also have Kings Pine, which is a little bit further back on the west side going up the mountain. In Kings Pine, you get a lot of homes with views over Payette Lake. Another popular neighborhood would be Whitetail. Whitetail also goes up and actually touches the top of the Kings Pine neighborhood, and so those homes do look back over the lake. Those are the neighborhoods that give you a lake view kind of on the west side. Of course, anything along Lake Street looking over is going to give you a view over Payette Lake. And then as you get to the east side, the beginning properties are pretty low through Spring Mountain Ranch. But as you drive up a road called Aspen Ridge, that gets up high enough, or on Lenora, where you have a view over Payette Lake. So we're gonna circle the areas on the map and you'll be able to see right where they are and make it so easy for you to find the view that you're looking for. So the second most requested view we get is along a riverside. So we've got the Payette River, and then we also have the Lake Fork River. Along Payette River, you've got Rio Vista, which sometimes the properties start up really high, and although you have a great view over the river, it's not as easy to access it. And then you have some that are right at the same elevation as the river. So you start with Rio Vista, then you have the Payette River subdivision, then you have Blackhawk on the river, and on the Lake Fork side, you have Lake Fork Estates and the Carefree subdivision. And all of those provide access, right along the river. Some of the homes look out over the river and have amazing river views where you get that sound of the river going by is an extra bonus when you buy property right along the river. So another view that you get from downtown McCall is over Brundage Ski Resort. And Brundage is located on the west side of town. So really anything on the east side looking back west is gonna have a view out over Brundage. You can also get a Brundage view from some properties that are south of downtown McCall facing back to the north. And with the Brundage views in the winter, you get to see kind of all the ski runs lined out, facing out over the lake. And then in the fall, you get an array of different colors that come off of the mountains. And so some people really love the view of Brundage Mountain. And it also reminds you that we live in a resort town and we're so lucky to live so close to all the outdoor activities. So for golf lovers, you might want views of the greens and the fairways, and McCall offers that also. We have a City of McCall golf course that's located right downtown on the east side. There's also the Whitetail golf course that's a gated neighborhood that provides views over the golf course located on the west side. And we have Jug Mountain Resort, which is on the southeast side of McCall and also provides tons of great golf course views. So the area south of downtown McCall provides more grand views where you have Jug Mountain that meets in with the valley. And this gives like a really scenic overlook with a rural feel. And anywhere you can get this view is, in the Carefree subdivision. You get this view also in Jug Mountain or Alta Vista. Really anything south of downtown McCall, you can get a big valley view where you can see Jug Mountain in the background. So there you have it. Those are the most 5 requested views that we get for people looking for homes. And so if you like this video, leave a comment below for your favorite view. And if you have something particular that you're looking for, always feel to reach out and give me a call. I'm happy to answer questions anytime.